So this is how to show your mouse, I'm hoping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Start, go to Control Panel, and where it says Appearance and Personalization, click there. And over here where it says Hardware and Sound, I'm going to click there. And then Mouse, click there. So if you see pointer options, I'm going to click on that. And see right here where it says Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key. So as of right now, you can't really see that, but I'm going to have it X. So it's going to set that up for me. So now, once it loads, I'm going to hold the Control key down and I'll show you how it works now. So we're going to go back to Control Panel Home, and then go to Hardware and Sound, and each time I tap the Control key, it shows it. So you want to say, okay, we want to adjust our sound setting. You can see where my mouse is by tapping the Control key, and then you can adjust it that way. I'm sure there's a different way to do it, but I'm sure there's a background you can run. But as far as I know, this is the easiest way to do it. So again, just set, go to add our mouse right here, and go to pointer options right here, and then you're going to click on this box right here. This is Show Location of Printer. And I think that's about it.